Top camping tips to help make for a great trip. Camping can be both the best time you ever have, or the worst. The difference can be the weather that happens while you camp, or how well prepared you are for it. To learn how to be as prepared as you can for camping, read on into the following paragraphs. When packing for your camping trip, make sure to pack either a pair of flip-flops or water shoes. These will come in handy in and around the campground. For instance, if you are staying in a campground that has bathroom facilities and you plan on taking a shower, you need to wear shoes in the shower to protect your feet from foot fungus. When you get to your campsite, take your family out on a walk. Particularly, if you have children, everyone will need a chance to stretch their legs after getting out of the car. The hike will be a good chance to get everyone excited about the trip and involved with nature. When packing for your camping adventure, make sure you pack only what you need for mealtimes. If you are at the campground, your food will have to stay cold so it does not spoil. If you are on the trail, any additional or excess food can be a burden. If you pack just enough food for the time you are on the trail, you will not be weighed down by excess weight. When you decide to go camping, you want to make sure that you bring a flashlight with some batteries. You want to be able to see in the middle of the night just in case you have to get up and go to the bathroom, or just to move around. Get a sleeping bag that is warm enough. This is important. Even if you go camping in the summertime, nights can get very cold out in the wild. There are sleeping bags promising protection from varying cold temperatures. It is a good idea to opt for as low a temperature as you can find. Clean up thoroughly when leaving a campsite. Try your best not to leave any trace of you at the campsite you stayed in. This is important, not just in terms of being considerate of other people. There are animals and insects that continue to live in the woods after you have left, so think of them as well. Save space in your bag by leaving mixing spoons and containers behind, and instead just bring plastic Ziploc bags. Place the foods or liquids that you want to mix in the bag, and ensure that the zipper is well closed before mixing. Not only do the bags take up considerably less space than bowls and spoons, but they're much more lightweight as well. Weather can ruin a camping trip, but there is little you can do about it. Poor planning can also ruin your camping trip, but there is a great deal that you can do about that. Keep in mind all that you have read in this video so that you can be prepared for your next trip. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.